So today we are going to check for stocks, especially Reliance, HDFC and ICICI Bank. So we are at the September month. So we'll concentrate only in September month. Let's see the price action for September. So for the first week, you could see the open and close was very close here for the week 1, and it was a positive decay for option sellers, especially who have done the options selling straddle. For week 2, the open was okayish and the close was near support. So this shows that the decay was very steady for the second week as well. Okay, now we'll move on to the HDFC Bank. So HDFC Bank, August last week, because of the US news, you could see change in the price action. It was shifted downwards. So when you check for September month, let me create the new range here so that we don't confuse. This is the high and this is the low. Okay, so this is September month's high and low, the white line, and the yellow line will show you the August low and high. Okay, so this is day 10. As you could see, it is pretty much simple straight line. So you could see here from past this week, when you see 8, 9 and 10, it is almost in the range. And then here is the September month open, and then open and close are almost similar. So that means the seller straddle is still having a positive decay for HDFC Bank. Now we'll go to ICICI Bank. So this is ICICI Bank. Let us create for September straddle. So I'll add the white line here. Okay, so one line will show us the support and the other line I'll keep at the resistance. Okay, when you check for September range, so it is 20 on the top side and 80 in the bottom side. Okay, that is the range for September month. Okay, so here you could see for the price action day 10, and then it just went sideways. So when you check for open and close, almost straight. This is also a positive day, a positive decay indication for the straddle sellers. Now we will check for OI. Hence we don't have any news coming up. The price action is going to be range bound or sideways. Now in the trading tick website, let's see the call side and put side OI. So first I'm going for Reliance. So this is Reliance OI, and then when you compare with price action, you could see it was much flat and then equal build up. Though the Reliance is having huge resistance, it's not seen for today's price action chart. So now we are going for HDFC Bank. So when you check for today, it was a equal build up, so it was sideways completely. Overall though, call rating is more for HDFC Bank. And when you check for ICICI Bank, so this is ICICI Bank. Here also call resistance is more. Okay, now we'll see the close range OI to find out the exact support and resistance. Okay, now we'll take for Reliance. Okay, when you check for OTM, it's 90 versus 29, so definitely call rating is pending for Reliance. And we'll check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank, 56 and 28. So 56 is more. That means here also call rating is pending. Now let's go for ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, when you check, it's 17 and 8. So here also call raters are more. Okay. So last week we have to wait whether there is a profit booking or resistance is going to be strong. It's very early to decide that factor. Okay. Now we are in the straddle zone. So let's compare the price action with the straddle, and let me take Reliance first. RR. So here it goes, Reliance. Then this is 15. Let's take 15 minutes time frame so that we could see it was exactly taking support at previous close, though it had a gap up. 80 is the open, the red line, so it is a positive decay. Okay, Now let's do a small P&L calculation. So one lot for Reliance is 500 times DK is open was 49, close was 45. So 4 points positive DK. Okay, so this times this is 2K plus tax and brokerage. How DK is calculated? Open price minus close price. And what strike we are checking here? For 1380 strike we are checking. Okay, so this strike call writing plus put writing, and the results is seen here. Okay, now we'll move on. So similar pattern you can do for HDFC Bank also. So when you check for HDFC Bank open, it is 970, and then this is a no loss no profit zone for HDFC Bank, exactly like yesterday. Now when you check for ICICI Bank, let's take ICICI Bank, open is 1400. Okay, so this was a loss making trade. So HDFC was 0, ICICI loss, and Reliance was in profit. Okay, so now we'll go and check the last part, that is our OI analysis for stocks individually to find out the straddle point. Okay, now let me take Reliance first. Here is Reliance today versus the total. So for today, as you could see, the resistance is built up at 1390, but overall straddle is at 1400, acting as resistance as well. Okay, now we'll go and check for HDFC Bank. So this is HDFC Bank basically, which is having a straddle point at 970. In overall also 970 acts as a support and a straddle point, and 1000 acts as a huge resistance. The last one is ICICI Bank. When you check for ICICI Bank, you could clearly see it was a profit booking at 1400. That's why the price action was flat, and then 1400 is still standing as a straddle, and 1500 is added up as a new resistance. So that's it guys, thank you.